Hello guys, welcome to the WebApic channel. In this video, we'll be learning how we can use a filter option to exclude or include specific products from our feed by using the product ID. So without further ado, let's jump in and learn how exactly we can do this. To use this functionality, go to your feed. In this case, I'll jump into Custom 1. Scroll down until you find the Filter tab. Under the Filter tab, you will find this option called Product IDs. By default, it will be set to blank and this will be set to include. Since this is blank and set to include, it means all the products in our website is going to be included in our feed. If you want, you can actually choose specific product IDs to show up in your feed. To do that, all you need to do is set the product ID in this field. So let's go to our products page, find a product ID and see how it shows up in our feed. Let's use the first item that we have in our product page, which is the V-neck t-shirt. As you can see, the ID for this product is 403. So let's go back to our filter and place in 403. Let's scroll down and say update and generate feed. Once the feed has been generated, let's take a look at it. Since we have only included the product ID 403, as you can see in our feed, we can only see one item, which is ID number 403, and that is the V-neck t-shirt. I know that this V-neck t-shirt is a variable product, and it has many different variations with these attributes. Please note that when you're using this filter, it automatically does not bring in the children product or all the variations in the feed. If you want to include the variations of this parent product, you have to add them manually under the filter. So let's take a look at it. As you can see, V-neck t-shirt is the product, and as I've told you, it has many different variations. These variations are not showing up in the feed. So let's say we're going to add 3 of these variations: 426, 427 and 428. Let's go back to our filter. Right now, to add more product IDs, all you have to do is separate them by commas and add them. So 426, 427 and 428. Let's go ahead, update and generate this feed. After adding the variations, now we can see them in our feed. We can see the black small, medium, large, and we can also see the parent product because it is in our list as well. You can also use this filter functionality to exclude products that you don't want in your feed. So all you have to do that is click on this drop down and change it to exclude. Let's say in this example, we don't want our V-neck t-shirt to show up. So I'm going to put in the product ID, which is 403. Let's go ahead, update and generate this feed. Let's download it. Since we have excluded item 403, we can see that it's no longer showing in our feed. Let's do a quick search. V-neck, not here. Let's try the product ID 403, also not in our feed. Now let me change back the filter settings and check if we can bring the V-neck t-shirt, which is product ID 403, back in our feed. So go back here, Custom 1, filter, and I'll just delete it. Let's update and generate feed. There you go guys. As you can see, V-neck t-shirts are back, and this includes all the different variations that come with the V-neck t-shirts. Let's find product 403. There you go. It is back in our feed. There you go guys. Now you know how you can include or exclude products from your feed by using product ID. If you have any questions or issues, you're welcome to reach out to us at support@webapic.com. I hope you guys found this video useful. Please leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. I hope everybody has a good day. Thank you very much.